The whole process has taken about 2 years to try and achieve something that tells the story of Ratty and Kett, fine stonework and other links to Cambridge. The inspiration behind the compass sculpture came because I was trained at Ratty and Kett, the famous restoration company which was on this site, which has now been developed by Hill and Homerton. And after leaving art school, I got the big break of being trained by them into making things in stone that I would never have learned at art school. And I'm really happy that it's finished. The compass was made by FSE Foundry and put together by Harrington Architectural Metalwork. They had to make a full-size wooden replica of it to sand cast it. So it's a very traditional technique. The spiral is a direct reference to the stone carving we did here at Ratty and Kett. It's called a volute, and you'll see it all over Cambridge on the Ionic and Corinthian capital tops. The centre has the setting out of each of the quadrants that form the spiral. So I've tried to tell the story of what it is and how it's made in the sculpture itself. I'm proud of it, but I'm also excited by the fact that already it's taken a new public life. In the buildings behind, Trish Maud at Homerton has already started ideas about making a piece of contemporary dance on and around the piece to celebrate it. As part of the same commission to celebrate Ratty and Kett and the work they did in Cambridge and nationally, I was asked to make another sculpture, one that was nearer the Ratty and Kett offices here. In the offices, drawing was done and measuring and setting out of all the detailed stonework. So I thought it was relevant to make something, a tool that we use to measure. And this is a version of my original calipers. This is natural stone. Occasionally it's confused with concrete or man-made products, but it's natural. It was made 300 million years ago in between Portland and France. There's a whole bed of limestone, and in here you can see the little bits of fossilised shell that fell down on the seabed when the stone was forming. To see it here now is great next to the old office, but what's more exciting is it's already been used by a local yoga group who practice in front of it, with the instructor positioning herself in between the calipers here.
You're going to parallel off the legs.
I was asked how long this artwork should last by the developers and by the commissioners, and they said it had to last at least 50 years. Well, bronze at the last count was 5,000 years and still going, so I think we're okay.